Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and today I'm unboxing my Young Living December wellness box. Two really quick things though. If you are watching this in a timely manner, I am giving away a bottle of myrrh, which is one of my favorites. It's great Christmas time of year. It was one of the first gifts to be given to baby Jesus. It is so calming. It is amazing. I am giving this away because on my Instagram I unboxed my Young Living Advent calendar, the 12 days of Christmas, so that's in my story highlights, and this was the last oil on day 12, so I'm giving it away. So check me out on Instagram. My handle's at takecaremama. And then not included in this box, but also I got the Aria diffuser this month in a separate order. I think I got it on Cyber Monday actually, and it is so worth it. It is so nice. It has a 12-hour setting. It is beautiful, and there are little sounds that it makes, like it sounds like Tibetan bells or something. We are using it like 24/7. But let's get into this unboxing. It's pretty small this month because if you watched my last unboxing in November, it was really large, so I wanted to keep it reasonable this month. Okay, I got a 15 ml of Panaway. This is one of the starter kit oils. It comes in the starter kit, and this is the oil that made my husband a believer. I feel like a lot of men love this oil. It is a blend: wintergreen, clove, peppermint, and maybe one other one, and it is good for like pain, like muscle tension, headache relief, things like that. So you want to dilute it and apply it. I have little roller blends that I make, and my husband processes deer during deer season, and he brought his Young Living stuff to the barn and everyone went crazy. So I made a bunch of roller blends for them, and I actually ran out. So I'm excited to get the bottles filled up with this oil. It is so good. Love it. Usually if you spend $100, which I did, you get like a free surprise oil. This month and last month too, they did something cool and they credited my account basically with $10. So I have a $10 amount that I can spend kind of whenever I want. Oh my word. Cedarwood, 15 ml of cedarwood. Do you know what I love? I love so many things about this oil. One of them being this is so economically reasonable. I think it's, I want to say $10.50 or $11.50 with my discount. If you buy the premium starter kit, you get a wholesale discount. So it's like $11 for this thing. This, on the other hand, is like $70, same size. So it's awesome because it's really cheap, dare I say. I love this so much. So cedarwood has a lot of cool things about it. It activates the limbic region of the brain, which is kind of in charge of our emotions. It's very calming. I actually was just reading in my guide that, I don't know if I'm supposed to say this, but I read it in the guide that some people claim it helps with their ADHD children. So I didn't know that. I've heard like vetiver, and I have a couple other ones that James really seems to be affected by positively, but I'm gonna totally add this to his roller. I'm making a new one soon. And it's known to be almost like a sedative. Most people use this for sleep support. That's what I use it for. I've been on a cedarwood kick. I am almost out, and it's so stressful, so I'm very happy. I'm diffusing it every night. Most people do equal parts lavender and cedarwood in their diffuser. I love this so much that I'm doing like 75% cedarwood, 25% lavender, and sometimes I'll diffuse this on its own. I'm going to make my own sleep roller blend for sleep support that I'll roll on my skin. I this is a tangent, but when I started with oils, I mainly diffused them, and which is amazing, and you get health benefits instantly from that. They get into your body even though you're diffusing them. Lately, the past several months, I have been using them topically more and more, and I've seen an improvement, and I love them so much. Like, I feel so good when I get these oils onto my skin. So I'm really excited about that. One caveat, me included, when I got this for the first time, I think I got it a year ago. I think it was around Christmas time. It smelled to me like cat pee. Like, I was really disappointed, and now I can't get enough. So your like level can change for oils as you work with them. Some people think if you don't like the smell, it means you actually need it. I don't know, that's kind of debated. But just know that if I inspire you to get this and you're like, girl, I don't trust you anymore, trust me, you might end up liking it. I would diffuse like 1 drop cedarwood, 9 drops lavender, or however many you do, and kind of slowly up it. And I think pretty soon you will be as obsessed as I am. I was talking on Instagram to a new member of Young Living, and I saw that she got cedarwood, and I said, do you think it smells like cat pee? And she was like, yes. How did you know? And I said, don't worry, it's gonna grow on you. The baby woke up. I actually have a phone call to hop on like right now, but one more lime. I ran out of my lime like 4 days ago, and it's been a stressful 4 days. I love this. The Vitality one I put in my sparkling water. It's my favorite thing right now to add to my soda stream, and this is just so good to diffuse. It smells so good. And I'm actually going to press pause on my Aria and put some drops in here. I'm feeling a little under the weather. I have a cold, and so I'm diffusing Thieves. And I love the smell of Thieves on its own, but mixed with lime. I didn't know this until recently. You have to try it. Okay, can you say goodbye? She's got a nurse, I have a phone call. This is gonna be interesting. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to get started with essential oils, I would love to hold your hand through the process and help you get your starter kit. And you get access to a ton of our education, and I'm so excited for you to join. This is a great time. I think you should buy yourself a Christmas present. Call me, message me on Instagram, and until next time, take care, mama. Bye, guys.